Afternoon. Well, today is the last chance I've got for taking shots before we sort of fly back to Abu Dhabi. So I thought I'd do something a bit different today. I'm going to do a road trip of the Eastern Valley, and all the shots will be taken from the roadside. So sort of tour of the Eastern Valley from the roadside. The main reason for this is because I packed my walking boots yesterday. Anyway, let's have a drive around the Eastern Valley then. First shot we're going to do is we're up here on the side of Minute Main above Cwmbran. I've shot this farm on more than one occasion, but we're going to look across Cwmbran in the background, out towards the River Severn, up towards Gloucester and that area. It's lovely and clear today, and it's a massive cloud, which is fantastic. So I'm actually going for more sky than anything else. The reason I've got if you can see the tripod so high is because I'm trying to get above these ferns. So I've got the farm as my foreground, Cwmbran is the midground, and then out towards the River Severn and the distance as the background. So let's see how this comes out. Okay, we've driven all the way up the east side of the valley now, and we're at a place called Vartig, which is virtually at the top of the valley. In fact, the next part is Forge Side, then Blaenavon, and that is the top of the valley. This is the site of what was originally, if I turn, I don't know if the sun's going to affect this, the cottages there were Vartig Incline, and what I'm going to shoot is down in the bottom. See the white cottages in the bottom? That was Cwmavon's forge, right down in the bottom of the valley there. So I'm going to try a shot here and probably do it in portrait and get the cottages in the distance. We'll see what it comes out. It might lend itself to black and white when I do post shot, but let's see for now. Right, so we're back up on the west side of the valley now. We've crossed over from Forge Side to Blaenavon, and we're at a familiar location again, Keeper's Pond. Can't help myself here, just love the place. So it's a shot I haven't done before actually. Looking across Keeper's Pond towards Sugarloaf, because it's so clear today, it might lend itself to a really nice shot. So we're just gonna set up here, see what we can get, then we're going to drop down over the top down towards Llanellan. It's a lovely little spot down the bottom there that very few people know of, so let's just get this one and off we'll go down there then as well. Let me just swing around. Where'd you get scenery like that? The background there is Skirrid, we did earlier in the Leave. This one over there is the Blorange. Absolutely beautiful on a day like today. Can't be beaten, and a fantastic way to finish my leave. So I've been to this location a couple of times before. I just love the way it leads into the Skirrid. These trees, sort of the gap in the trees, takes you straight up to the Skirrid. So we'll shoot something here and then move on down to where I know there's some water at the bottom of this lane. I've driven past this stream so many times, but I've never ever stopped, and it's absolutely a beautiful setting. It really is. So it's quite shaded, so I'm going to stick you can see the tripod's already in the stream. I'm going to stick the camera on this tripod. I've got a 4-stop ND on. Well, that's us done. We went up the eastern side of the valley, across the top of Blaenavon, and back down the other side, coming back out on the Abergavenny Road in Llanellan. I think we had some decent shots. Sat back at the farm now, so put them through the laptop and see what we got. We're heading back to Abu Dhabi on Friday, so hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. See you all soon.